Hello everyone, welcome to Rasdipzzz. Today we're going to make really quick and simple 10-minute garlic paratha with liquid dough. To a bowl add 2 cups wheat flour, 2 tablespoons garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, some salt to taste. Combine all together. Pour water gradually and combine. I have taken 2.5 cups of water. Amount of water might change according to your wheat flour. This is the perfect consistency. To it add a tablespoon of ghee and combine. Heat a dosa tawa. When it's slightly warm, pour our batter. It should be thick like a parathas. When the edges separate out from the tawa, flip it over. Press the edges slightly. Add a quarter teaspoon of butter. Our parathas are completely cooked when it turns golden brown. Repeat the same with the rest of the dough. Now our parathas are ready to serve. Serve it hot. This is a healthy and super instant breakfast. You don't need a curry to serve. It's super soft. Do try this and let me know your comments. If you like the video, then don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and subscribe.